Hi, my name is Shoshana Zeldner, and I'm an artist and arts administrator based in Reno, Nevada. I work at the University of Nevada, Reno's School of the Arts. I'm a sculpture and mixed media artist working in clay and porcelain. Places like wetlands ask us to come closer and look in and really become amazed and in awe of all of the life that is in these places and all of the different colors and nuances of color and light that we can find as we explore. My piece is called Invasive Flowers, and it is comprised of found, recycled, discarded water bottles and plastic bottles. Water bottles are hurting our environment in so many different ways because they're bringing plastics in. And that use of plastic is harming the system and actually even harming the water that we all drink and consume. So I hope that it can be a statement to cut down on single-use plastics, stop using single-use plastics, and also a gentle and playful reminder to think about what our footprint is in this land and how we can take small steps to make a difference and be more environmentally friendly in our day-to-day life.